This is cute.
Ow. Stop scrolling so I can tell you why I'm under the table.
Raise your hand.
Ow. If you've hired a nanny, housekeeper, or other caregiver. Okay, same. Now raise your hand if you're familiar with IRS and state tax laws around paying household employees. Yes, also same. So let's say you've been paying this person under the table and then January rolls around and you realize you owe back taxes. If that sounds stressful, I have good news. No matter how or when you learn about the legal and tax requirements as a household employer, it's never too late to catch up on your household employment taxes. And it's important that you do, as many household employees are also unaware of tax laws, and the employer bears full legal responsibility for tax obligations.
Got it.
So how exactly do you fix this and figure out what you owe? Just tap the link to learn how to find out if you owe, how to catch up, what happens if you don't catch up, and tax breaks that you can take advantage of when you pay on the books. Okay, I need to get up now. And honestly, do not look under your kitchen table if you have kids.
Gross!
It's not great. It's not great.